Good day and Assalamualaikum. This is Najib Hassan and I am going to report about the production of heat. So I hope you will listen and watch this video presentation for you to able to grasp the knowledge and idea about this topic. First, let us define the production of heat. So according to its definition, production heat, it is the process of generating thermal energy or the heat either naturally or artificially. It involves the transformation of energy from one form to heat. Example is chemical, electrical, and mechanical. So accordingly, it talks about the process of generating the thermal energy either from the natural sources or through artificial means. Secondly, let us know the definition of heat. So, it is stated that heat is a form of energy that flows from a hotter object to a colder one due to a temperature difference. It is measured in joules in the SI system, though other units like calories or British thermal units are also used. So, in short, heat is a fundamental form of energy that plays a crucial role in everyday life. It has an SI unit of joules or the BTU, which is being used as a unit for measurement. Importance of heat production. First, it is vital for everyday human activities, cooking, heating, manufacturing, energy generation. Second, it is essential in industrial, agricultural, and scientific application. So here are the primary sources of heat production. It is being subdivided into two, like it is mainly made from the natural sources or through artificial or man-made sources. So in natural sources, we have the sun or the solar radiation, and it is the primary source of natural heat on Earth. And second is the geothermal energy. It is the heat from the Earth's interior. It is used in geothermal power plants and heating systems. And third is the biological metabolism. It is the heat generated by living organisms, example, humans, animals, through metabolic processes. So here are the sources of heat production for the artificial or man-made sources. First, we have the combustion of fuels, which is burning of fossil fuels, and second is the electrical resistance heating, which is passing electric current through resistors to generate heat, found in heaters, ovens, electric stoves. And last is the nuclear reactions, which is the fission and fusion processes release large amounts of heat, which is used in nuclear power plants. And for the environmental impact of heat production, we have the greenhouse gas emission from burning fossil fuels leads to global warming and climate change. Thermal pollution, which is the discharge of hot water into natural water bodies, affects the ecosystem. And last is the resource depletion, overuse of non-renewable sources. So this is the end of my report for this topic, and I hope you have learned a few information about the production of heat. Thank you. Good day and Assalamualaikum. This is Najib Hassan and I am going to report about the production of heat. So I hope you will listen and watch this video presentation for you to able to grasp the knowledge and idea about this topic.